Buenos días, Argent Trade, casi mediodía aquí en Argentina. ¿Listos para el partido o qué? ¿Listo para el partido? Sí, joder. Vamos, Leo. Alright, good morning, Justin, J Hard Corey. What a pump in the market, huh? I guess news were good, less than expected. I think I saw 7.1 instead of 7.3 or something like that. So we got SPY up to 414, I think. 414, wow. I honestly, with this big of a move, guys, I have no idea what to expect. Like, this could gap up and push down, fill a gap, or this could gap up. 410 is a key level. We could flag over 410 and then end up shooting up again. I don't know. Like, I actually don't have a single idea of what SPY can do. It's the pretty giant gap so far. I mean, SPY gapped up $10 a share. More. 15, $16 a share. Closed at 398, 97, 98, and hit 414. So that right there is $16 a share on SPY. Fish on. What's up, man? Elvinar, good morning, Elvinar. Everybody on TikTok, good morning, guys. I got Hibbo. I got Quote Me on it. What's up? What are your guys' top watch today? Top stock to watch today. What do you guys think? And I got kind of lucky because I bought some Tesla calls yesterday, but I'm definitely going to be closing them out this morning. But I kind of penny stocks. I see. Morning, Tech and Money, Easy Money. What's up? To Mimi, good morning. Dylan Hess, what's up? Hess, right? Yeah. As far as penny stocks, I have NCPL, which is okay, but okay. Well, I can't zoom in on that one. And then we also have MGTA, which MGTA lower volume a little bit. And it's already pulling on down, so not a big fan of this. MLGO ripped. And then NCPL, no, this one's got a pretty nice gap up. It's got room. 200 moving average is pretty far. So it might not be, I mean, unless this thing goes crazy, which I actually did not check the float. NCPL float 2.4, so it's got a little bit of float. It could do something crazy. Next level on the daily on this one, that 335 was a key level. It spiked there. It was like 330. It hit 335, so looking there. After that, I really don't have anything. I would look at 4 and then 450. Four and then 450. Good morning, Blair. Honestly, today might be a large cap kind of let everything that had breath praise the praisers. Okay. Morning, Rome C. Did you keep track of EH yesterday? Did you keep watching it? I'm pretty sure EH rallied literally all day, like into the close, and then it sold off afterwards. Oh no, like 30 minutes before. Oh, an hour before. Morning, Amy. What's up? Risk on type of day. Yep. That's why I kind of want to see. Yeah, I wish I would have left more runners on. That's okay. You still got a good trade on it. That's why I want to see. I mean, as far as penny stocks, I see NCPL, MGTA, not really. MCPL, yeah, kind of. 276, I got a level there. I kind of respected a pre-market. See if you come back and hold 276 on that one. But you know, with the news and SPY ripping and Tesla ripping, I have a feeling scammer. Okay, scammer, nice. I kind of want to see if we can find some trades on Tesla or SPY today or any of the big large caps, because everything rallied and it's either we're going to keep on rallying or we're going to go ahead back down and close the gap on most of these things. It's your birthday, Blair? Why have you never mentioned this? Your birthday was coming up. Everybody say happy birthday to Blair. It's his birthday today. Happy birthday, Blair. Oh, which is this talk that you just said ripped? Morning, Zach. Missed your comment. Somebody said MGLO. MGLO. I don't see MGLO. Oh, MLGO. Am I dyslexic? Oh, wow. $4 to 45. Everybody on YouTube is saying happy birthday, Blair, so just letting you know. Can you take a look at EH? I was going to hold it a couple days ago for stream, but never did because of the volume. But yesterday it spiked. I looked at it yesterday and it was just uphill grind. I don't know that this is going to continue. The daily is pretty extended. You might kind of have a day where you're just going to go into this range. I don't think this is going to keep going up, but it might not sell off completely. So I think EH can just consolidate for a day or two. And if you had to tell me what I would pick, it's probably going to consolidate and end up pulling back a little bit. I mean, this thing went from like $4 up to $12 in 4 days, so let it pull back a little bit. There you go, Blair. Not going to trade any different, and if you're red, you're keeping it small. Good job, man. MCPL, yeah, this one's the only one that I'm going to keep an eye on really close. Kind of looked like it was setting up a nice flag here on the 5-minute, but didn't take that, and you know, it just popped up right there. Nice volume and consolidated low volume, kind of holding lows. 1, 2, 3 on the 5 minutes, and then starts perking back again. Penny stocks may not be hot today, but it's definitely penny stock season until at least the end of the year. Yeah, I agree with you. I think today it might be a little slow in the penny stocks, but I do think that we got something going on, maybe till the end of the year, hopefully. So you guys better take advantage of it when I'm gone. You guys better kill it when I'm gone. If you guys are watching on YouTube, make sure you guys hit that like button for me, please. I was trying to remind you guys before we start trading, because otherwise I don't want you guys getting distracted, but market is closed, so you guys go and hit the like button for me on YouTube. If you guys are new on YouTube, make sure you guys subscribe to my channel, check out my recaps. You guys can ask me any questions you guys have. As far as the large caps, I'm going to have to just take a look at them and see how they open. Like I said, we have pretty big gap on a lot of these things. I mean, Tesla going from 160 to 175, $10 a share overnight. SPY going $16 a share to hit a high. Amazon going from a close of 90 up to 95. That's a pretty big move. Apple, you know, same thing there. How did I learn to trade? I just kind of watched YouTube videos and watched the market on my own, and woke up every morning and watched the market until I have to look at mRNA. mRNA from 165 to 189, and literally sold off yesterday and the day before, and then made it all back pre-market this morning. How? 185.41 is previous, kind of almost flat top, and then you got room to 188. Oh, you already got that. So another 2 levels there. If you start flagging in over over any of those two, you could get a flag down pivot there up to maybe 200. So if you guys are looking at mRNA Moderna, you might be setting up some nice consolidation flags here over 185, 188, and you might be looking for a move up to 200. OPGN, cheaper stock, popping up 28 cents high. Did you start paper trading or you just went straight into it? No, I did paper trading for a little bit. Good tickers for small accounts right here, OPGN, 28 cents per share. Oh wow, NCPL short locates are actually kind of expensive. You think we got more room up? Wow, the locate fees for NCPL are actually kind of expensive. Mara, market's gonna open here soon, so I'll take a look at. So Mara is really oversold. This thing. What is it at right now? 559. I mean, I would look at the daily and look at this thing that is still downtrending. From that spike up, you can probably see right next to my face a little bit here. Yeah, I got a giant downtrend on Mara right here. So just draw that downtrend and wait for it to pop out of it if you want to go long on this thing. I don't know how low this thing can go. I know it's related to crypto and stuff, but I don't know if the company is good or not. So I don't know if this is one where it's like, oh, buying it down to $4 or $5 is a good thing. It's not going to go down to $1, $2 stock or sub dollar. You know, if I don't know. So it looks like a lot of its consolidation has been around. Well, actually, it's been this low before, 514. But a lot of consolidation up at the $9 range up to $14 range, so I wouldn't be surprised if it popped up there again some other time. But you could be back holding it for a while. mRNA watch for 200. That's what I was thinking. What's up, Jim? What's up, Fat GQ? Also, Polar, good morning, man. So, MLGO on beast mode. 55 now. We got about a minute and a half. Also, what are your locate fees on NCPL? What are your locate fees on NCPL? It's the only one that I would look at and be like, oh, I kind of want to short this one. But those locate fees are a little pricey, I think. I mean, so I got, as far as penny stocks, I got NCPL on watch. I got MGTA on watch. I guess I'll throw this OPGN on watch here. Watching those there. God, my leg is non-stop itching. But, I mean, NCPL is maybe the only one that I like as far as penny stocks. Cannot locate shorts. Oh, okay. I can locate shorts, but there's like 15 cents per share. I'm honestly gonna. Actually, first of all, I have to close some calls. Market is open, but I have to close some Tesla calls because okay, that's taken care of. Alright, so let's see what this market wants to do. This is going to be a pretty big gap for some of these stocks. Actually, Tesla might be one that probably didn't even make a gap because of the big selling yesterday. Yep. So Tesla didn't even pop. I'm not sure, but I think the lower the flow, the higher the shorting fee. Is anybody having issues with Thinkorswim? Not me so far. Looks like well, Amazon ran out of the gates. OPGN, the one that you just mentioned, going right for it right now at market open. Could see a quick little pop through high days here. Too late, maybe. Yeah, too late. Popped up so fast. MCPL kind of popping up a little bit. Nope, it just got flushed on. So SPY, Tesla, I kind of figured these things were going to pull. Well, actually, OPGN is not looking bad. SPY pulling back a little bit. OPGN actually not looking bad. I want to see if I could get a pullback on this one. MULN is a long-term buy for Oso Polar. Okay, good morning. What are you thinking about Rivian? I'm not looking at Rivian. MLGO halted. Yeah, MLGO is halting. This OPGN does not look bad. If I was to get a tiny bit more of a pullback, I might add on this one. Wow, NCPL completely getting destroyed. I do want to look at SPY and Tesla here pretty soon. I kind of took this small trade here in OPGN. First 2 minutes of market open, so I'm kind of being careful. Didn't jump full share size. I didn't even realize how small this size was. I thought I could get a couple 50 bucks, 100 bucks, but it's more like 15 bucks. Okay, so I got a trade on that stock going there. OPGN, small size, but first trade of the day put me green a little bit. 27.79, 27.79. Okay. No, this isn't gonna make me much. Alright, so NCPL 275-ish pivot potentially. I was watching NCPL on my side chart. It popped up, got sold pretty aggressively, so no trades on that one yet. I do want to look at the big stocks. mRNA is one that you guys were calling out. You know, that if mRNA could pull down a tiny bit, you know, give me that 188.45 retest here, I will definitely add on mRNA. We would be looking for 200 on this one. Tesla's still kind of selling off a little bit. Kind of trying to find a bottom down there. Keeps going. Which one keeps going? OPGN. A little bit. Robin calling out MLGO. Still halted. I do want to see how mRNA reacts though. I don't want to just buy stupidly down here at this pivot, but if I get a nice pullback here, I might be scaling into some longs for mRNA, looking for that move up to 200. Looking at this 188.45 pivot here on mRNA, this candle's got pretty low volume so far. Lower volume, that's good. Holding that 188.45 is not bad here. This is where I want this one to start pushing back up, but it's looking pretty weak. It's looking pretty weak. Volume did not pick up there. There it is. Starts taking out. There it is. Nah, that's a nice pop now. I'll kind of want to be patient on this. See if I take a new high out right away, and then this thing keeps on moving towards 200. If I get a new high a day here, I will let go of some shares and keep my runners to see if mRNA wants to keep pushing towards 200 today. It's just holding, it's holding, it's holding. I'm not selling yet. I'm not selling yet. I'm looking at mRNA still. There's the buyers again, closing this candle high. Good. Let's see if we can get a nice pop on this next candle. Take a high a day, or at least make a higher high here. Here it goes, here it goes. Watching it here. Looking for that pop through here. Looking for the squeeze out of here, hopefully. Oh, I'm going to sell half there. You know, I really want to keep runners, but I don't. I'm up 300 on this trade. Something tells me I should just lock in a good chunk of it. It wants to do another little bit of a pop here. It wants to do another little bit of a run there. Nope. I'm going to sell 20. I have 30 shares left. My stop is 189.28. Let's put it down here. 30 shares left. That's still $100 if I get stopped out with this shares. I don't want to give that much back. I want to keep this $300 today. Oh, P&G kind of pulled down a little bit, retested that 28 cents level there, and kind of trying to push again. You know, I don't think today is the day I want to be patient. I want to take my profit. $300 to start that trade there, so I'm happy with that. No PGN 57. OPGN came back down to that pivot there. mRNA, anyways, you guys called out mRNA this morning. I kind of looked at it right there. I said any of these two pivots, if you get a pullback to any of those two pivots, that might be a place to take a trade. Try to take a little bit of a flag there, and that's exactly what I did. That's exactly what I took. So, congrats if you took that. NCPL, you added heavy there. We're at 276. Hopefully this goes out. This works out for you. SPY Tesla kind of trying to retrace a little bit. What is MGTA doing? Just let me see if this one is MGTA Inquire. Okay, this one's shortable. Shortable for free. Also, what are you shorting today? What are you guys shorting today? The guys that are shorting. NCPL apparently has no low kits for some of you guys. WIMI for short. Okay. No shorts yet. Looks like KSCP halted. I don't know what that is. KSCP. KSCP halted up. NCPL, dang it. I am sorry. Whoever just added their heavy fat. My bad, man. EH breaking out again. No, it's still in my range. Look at it. I mean, this is a big range, yeah, but this is gonna. I think it'll consolidate today or tomorrow. It's only had a 1-day run. Might. What did mRNA do? Kind of still hold around that area. It didn't really push out as much as I thought it would. Like I thought here it was just gonna go 194, 195, boom, and then stick another leg and then 200. But you know, I still made 300 bucks there, so I'm happy with that. So I should be up like 350 so far. OPNG still kind of consolidating. What other stocks do we have? MLGO still halted up again. Here goes the next supernova. Here it goes. MGTA kind of trying to come back up. Iffy here. Tesla, and let's add 268. Stop relocated to 260 on NCPL. What is this 171? Oh, 171.57. You guys long on? I am not. I don't really like the long on NCPL. I'm just saying I'm not long on it. I don't really like it. FI trying for new high a day. You know, I did see that one this morning actually. Oh, it already did. Did you get a trade on that one, Tekken Money? It had a 59. No. Oh, that's pre-market high. It literally bounced off pre-market high for a new high. That would have been a good trade there. So I think Tesla is holding pre-market high as well. So if we could keep holding this pre-market high here on Tesla and get a nice reversal, you might be able to follow that up. So that's pre-market high right there, 171.57. Tesla does not have a gap on the daily, and obviously we got good news. So if you can find a nice entry somewhere around here, you might be able to follow that up. SPY kind of trying to do the same thing, trying to bounce back up. OPGN again, trying to go for a new high of day. OPGN. Careful here. Bradley Rogers is in MLGL. Nice. Yep, there's a reversal on Tesla already. If Tesla gives me a nice pullback here, I might add on Tesla to see if we break VWAP on the way back up. I wanted a little pullback here to see if we get a nice momentum switch on Tesla back over VWAP, but we clearly held that pre-market high there. OPGN kind of popped up a little bit, tried hitting a new high and got stuffed. So just a little bit careful there. Accidentally shorted OPGN. Nice. Mara reversed. Nice. Mara, I don't know that I really have that big. Well, maybe. I mean, if it keeps setting it up, but I really wanted to see what Tesla and SPY could do, but SPY is just kind of weird down here. Tesla, I knew pre-market high could hold, maybe could have taken a double bottom there, and then I knew we could get a move back up to VWAP, so I tried finding a pullback here. If it didn't happen, I'm not taking the trade. Yeah, I would have jumped in it here at 172, could have got a move up to 173, almost $1 a share there, but didn't like that, so I'll let it go without me. NCPL, to me, NCPL is looking like APVO. You know, just so heavy at the gates, hard to catch a bounce. What is mRNA looking like? Oh no. mRNA, the next daily is 197.8, but see, this move right here is what I was looking for right here. That when it starts squeezes, nice pullback, squeezes, next candle. Not squeezes, boom, boom, boom. Oh well. But now mRNA wants to go. FAT is now banking on NCPL, popping right back up. Now, if we get a nice squeeze or something on this, then yeah. I thought about shorting MGTA and I never clicked anything. Dang it. Yeah, I didn't click anything on this one. NCPL is perking up itself. Um, I could see that 276 keep holding still. Still holding pretty big size for the squeeze. Good job, man. Fat, you averaged down on that one. Oh, FFIE. Dang, I should have kept an eye on this one a little closer. And CPL, Zach added FFIE at 64. Okay, a little bit of a breakout there. And CPL trying to go for it. And CPL, if the longer it's going to consolidate here, the better, because more buyers will come in and more shorts might cover their positions. Shorts that were in over here. Till 2/3 holding 1/3. Okay. That's a very nice 5-minute candle though. And this is the last minute of it. So if we close high, that's good. Let's see if we got a pullback. OPGN is still holding. No, OPGN is one that I mentioned got a stuff there, but it's still holding. NCPL, I can't chase it like that. I need a good pullback on this. Anyone looking at DBGI? Not today. And CPL, good trade, fat GQ. Fat GQ. I always forget. EH looking like it'll break 11. Trying, I see it. And CPL, this thing might literally squeeze them all out. This might be another harp. What's up, Alex? Welcome in, welcome in. I'm looking at NCPL right now. Wow, Tesla just absolutely destroyed. Hold on. I might be chasing this Tesla for a new low of day. That was a pretty aggressive sell-off there. NCPL is going to be a little bit riskier, I think. That was a way too early add. But I'm going to scale in through here and see if I can get that breakdown on Tesla. Tape is so heavy right here. I added short here on Tesla. We broke that pre-market high, and I added short there. See if I can get continuation down lower. Okay, so I have 200 shares short here. There we go, closed under it. Now I'm looking for that dump. Now I'm looking for this dump right here. There we go, there we go, there we go, there we go, there we go. Dump, 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 dump. Take low day. There you go, just like that. Just like that, just like that. Covering some there. Have 150 shares left. Whoa, nice dump, nice dump. How low can we actually go today? Back down to yesterday's low? This is still dumping. I'm still holding 150 shares short. If this closes back above this level, I might be looking to get out. Oh, it reverses all the way. Might have gotten shaken out of that, but that's fine with me. Sometimes I need to learn to be a little bit more patient, but that's okay with me. Let me see. I might be up close to 500 bucks already. Yep, I'm just $20 short at 500 bucks. Okay, let me see. NCPL somehow is still holding pretty nice. Wayme, somebody mentioned short Wayme. Okay, that's working out. OPGN kind of cracking down. OPGN actually might not even be a bad to see if I could short. OPGN just to see. Okay, that's cheap. Somebody mentioned EH actually climbing right back up. You guys are right. I'm wrong. You guys are right. I'm wrong. FFIE kind of switching here. FFIE, 2 red candles down. Pretty light volume, but that's a pretty big move, so I would be a little cautious there. Broke uptrend. This would have been the place to short there. What else is moving today? What else is moving today? NCPL. NCPL cooking up something here. MCPL cooking up something. I can see it. mRNA. Don't tell me, bro. mRNA hit $200. No. And the thing is, it literally went up there like nothing. Like straight up could have left my shares with a stop and never would have gone triggered. Dang it. I had 100 shares of like 189. That's $10 a share. Was that $1,000 trade? Jeez. Maybe I should be patient. Let me see if Tesla keep. Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Oh. I had 150 shares here, there too. 171 and closed them. Reached down to 169. Another $250 there too. Up 30 on NCPL for Blair. Good job, Blair. NCPL. Dang it. At least I had good reads again, so I'm happy about that. NCPL, if I get a push back down, I could snag some shares under 3. I might actually add on this one. If I could snag some shares down here. Actually, I might even do something like, this is 296, 297. Actually, hold on. I'll look at it because these three candles have really low volume and those are all green candles. Well, that sucks. I was short Tesla, made a little bit of money, kept riding down, and I was long mRNA, made 300 bucks, and kept riding up. So, good place, not patient enough. What's up, bro? Everything should be red today. NCPL might have another leg up. I think so as well. I'm just kind of looking for this thing to push back a tiny bit more so I can get some shares in on this one down here. $3, maybe 296.97. Your mRNA stopped out. Still feel like you can break 200. Okay, so well, that's why I canceled my order. But dead, gone, dead, gone. mRNA didn't break 200. Yeah, it did. Oh, good job, Blair. Way to be cautious there. Man, I read Tesla there perfectly. I think that was just a pre-market level, just quick pre-market level there. You know, bounced twice, so it was support. We went back up to VWAP. Really aggressive sell. And so I was like, you know what, this is gonna break pre-market low, and so I added really early. I added there, and then on those two bounces there, it tried popping, so I added more. I think it got stopped out, and then I re-added more, and then I got that move down. SPY is kind of trying to go red too. What a huge gap on SPY. That's insane. Just messes up the charts. Even if it's good news, like now we got a gap to fill to go back down. Tech and Money got flushed down there. Dang, sorry, man. And that is why we scale out on the way up. NCLA flush just broke that chart. Robin, you also got stopped out on that one. It's unfortunate. It's unfortunate, but it did push down really hard there. Luckily, I was not in on this one at all. I had my order there at 397, kind of based off this tiny pivot there. But what actually scared me here, and I mentioned it real quick, I put my order out and then I went back up and I looked at these three candles, and I looked at those three candles and then I looked at the volume and that it was like decreasing as that stock is trying to push up. It's trying to get out of this range here, but nobody's buying. You know, it's moving up, but nobody's buying. So that scared me there. I saw that. I canceled my order down here and avoided that flush. So, volume, guys, volume. OPGN, though. This one actually might break out here. This is the third attempt on this one. OPGN, this might be just a high day breakout. I'm waiting towards the end of this candle, see if we get acceleration in the last 10 seconds. Yep, nope. Don't stupidly jump into a breakout trade when there's a candle left with like 50. Okay, I think my stream completely reset itself, so sorry about that. YouTube people, are you guys still here? Yeah, there you guys are. My all the comments had disappeared, but y'all, it came back. It came back. Tesla, what a freaking is that? Is this when people say pike? Does that mean like you botched the trade? Because I botched this trade. Gosh, dang, man. Whew. Absolutely messed this up, bro. How long have I been trading? Trading 2 to 3 years. Yep. What's up, Wonka the Golden Ticket? What's up, man? I absolutely messed up Tesla, guys. Look at this. It's gonna be even more sad when you see my entries and exits. Oh no. Short, short, short. What is this? Man, I gotta trust myself with these large caps. OPNG broke out. OPGN, sorry. Tesla ruined the whole trend. Dude, that's so dumb, man. Zach looks like he's celebrating OPGN a little bit. Zach celebrating OPGN, OPGN. Tesla's actually now taking yesterday's low. I don't even know if this is another entry. This is so sold off, but this is literally yesterday's low. So I don't know. Thoughts on Grom? Grom? Okay. What is Grom doing? Nice pivots there at 1.6. Daily's pretty beaten down. Actually has a gap fill above 175 to $3. So, well, there's a flush. I was gonna say if Grom gets over 175, definitely, because you got a gap fill. 175 is a high, almost double top on the daily. If you get over 175, you could be looking $2, $2.50, $3. Close that gap. Man, I absolutely ruined Tesla. This is ridiculous. I'm glad I closed my calls this morning. Oh, it's getting hot again. OPGN kind of breaking out a little bit. I think Zach is in it. Must be some psych. Juan, are you? Juan, you're cracking me up today. What'd I do? What'd I do? What'd I do? What'd I do? Do I ever trade options on Nvidia? No. MLGO. Ooh, hold down. Zach said I really need to start sizing up. Dang, that means Zach is killing it. Zach killing it like always. Oh, I mentioned 410 level on SPY, guys. Look at that clean retest to the downside on 410. No, I don't really trade options, but I don't know. I mean, I'm sure I will try it at some point. But obviously, trading options, you got to trade the large caps, and to trade the large caps, you have to learn how to trade large caps. They're not like penny stocks. And so I've been trying to learn how to trade the large caps, and I gotta say I think I've done pretty good. I gotta go back and look at my stats, but I mean, you guys mentioned mRNA today, and kind of looked at the daily. You know, had a good trade out too early, but that was a good trade. And then Tesla today also read it pretty nice. I think overall on Tesla, I've read it pretty nice. Let me click on Tesla here and see how much money I've made off of Tesla in general. So I've been trading Tesla consistently since November 7th. No, November 10th, because I didn't trade the 8th, 9th, or 14th. So it's been one. Is this all Tesla only? Wow, this is actually really impressive. This is me trading Tesla ticker only. Right here. I had 2 red days off of Tesla only, not just red days. Like Tesla trades red. 2 and then 3 this morning. I mean 3 this month, and then I guess 1 today, or I guess that's today already. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 days in about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In about 6 weeks of trading Tesla, and only 5 red days. That's actually not bad for me, just kind of focusing on Tesla on the side. In November, just off of Tesla, I made 2.3K. And then I guess December right now, how much am I? I don't know. The last 30 days, just Tesla itself is 3.2K. Wow. Okay, I'll take it. I'll take that. So those are good numbers. Those are good numbers. Not that I'm making, crazy money, but it's consistent money trading the large caps. And so if that keeps happening, eventually I can scale up. Yeah, I know. But Juan Trades, can you tell how many of those Tesla's trades were long or short? I don't think so. I don't think there's a way to tell. But I mean, if you have, what broker do you use, Ardent Trader? KSPN, really good action. KSPN. KSPN popping up a little bit. I think the average down. I think he averaged down. Who averaged down? OPGN, Zach, I guarantee you still writing it. That's what I need to learn. I need to learn my patience, and that's something that's been pretty hard for me to do. Uh, kind of started working on it, and then today just kind of went out the window. But no, I know. I know. Self-loved. I understand. You're still writing 48% of your precision. Nice, good trade, Zach. Guess you're back to penny stock, Zach, since they started getting hot. But I was gonna say something. Okay, let me point this out to everybody, because everybody says, options are great. They move faster. You make more money. Here's the thing. It's true. I could take $5,000 in options and make 500 bucks, or I can take $100,000 in shares and make 500 bucks, right? $5,000 make 500, 100,000 make $500. I'm just giving out numbers. This is options, this is shares. But at the end of the day, it doesn't matter to me how much I'm using, right? I'm going to make or lose 500 bucks. So everybody's saying you're going to make so much more with options. I could just increase my share size and make more money with shares. I could just quadruple my share size and make more money with shares. Just because options make you more doesn't mean I'm gonna for sure make more. I can lose more. So it doesn't come down to what instrument you're trading. It comes down to how much do you want to risk overall, and if you're consistent. I could Tesla today I took, look at this. Tesla today I took 300 shares and made 125. I could take 1,000 shares of Tesla on margin, or I don't know how much that is, if it uses margin or not. I'm sure it does. And I could have written that down and still made 1,000 shares at 171 down to 165. That's $6 a share. That's $6,000 with 1,000 shares. I don't need options right now. I just need to learn how to trade these things. OPNG, good trade, Zach. Good trade. Now, if you have a smaller account, then obviously, yeah, that the options I see how it's beneficial because you can only use $1,000 and you can make 50, $100. But you use $1,000, you could still lose 10, 20% of your account real quick. So self-love, yeah, you're right. Thank you, man. It's just how it is. So watching FFIE for the curl. FFIE still holding. OPGN still going. Maybe this sets up another leg and goes up to the 200 moving average at 47. OPNG, if this thing was to pull back a little bit, I might add on this one. I don't want to fully chase up here, but if it gives me down here 33, 35-ish, I might add long on this one. mRNA 202, 203 pretty much. Jesus. That's unfortunate. I really fumbled the bag today. And if anything, I need to realize that maybe more share size does not equal more money. Maybe more planned trades, more holding equals more money. Today I barely used any shares and I missed, let's just say I rode half this move with full share size, which is obviously doable. I'm not going to do the whole thing. That's from 170 to 68. That's $2. So let's do 150 times $2. That's an extra $300 there. And then mRNA, let's just say I rode a third of this move, not even half. Let's say I rode a third of this move from 193. Let's do here 197. That's 4 times 100. That's another $400. Even if I just held a tiny bit more on both of these stocks, I would have been up an extra $700. Oh, good job, Sag. You're still doing some futures. Look at mRNA now. Did anybody take the mRNA trade at all with me or no? I literally bought it right here. Chicago did. Awesome. Are you still writing some, or did you write it longer than I did? I hope you did. Robin also took it. Okay, okay. $20-minute hold down on MLGO. Oh, dang it. Well, at least you made some money on it, I hope. Amy also took it. So today, I'm gonna keep looking around, see if I find any other trades. Uh, something is, I'm not gonna say I'm gonna do it for sure, but something tells me I want to just go into the new year and instantly like risk $500 a day, but look to make 150. I mean 1,500 or 2K days or something. So I don't know. I'm trying to learn these FFIE spiking, these large caps, so I can do that FFIE spiking. I like the penny stocks, and the penny stocks are fun, but I had a pretty hard time scaling up on them, at least in the market that I saw all year long. So if they keep working the way they have been, definitely possible to scale up. But just in general, I think, and I don't like saying that because I like penny stocks. They're fun, but the large caps, I think eventually, that's where you can make money. FFIE spiking. I looked at this here. Wants to kind of break out, hit a new high day. Kevin, this is your type of trade for real. MLGO is Kevin's type of trade. FFIE, maybe tiny flag here. This push up here is nice volume. If I get a nice, just a small pullback, I could go for the breakout here, but just a small pullback here. Kevin, it's Kevin's time to shine, man. Kevin's time to shine. Honestly, OPGN is the one that I'm pretty interested in still. If this thing just pulled back tiny bit more, maybe give me a double bottom here, I would be looking to add on OPGN. That double bottom is 35. I mentioned it earlier. This one's got room on the daily up to 47, which is 200 moving average, so it's got a little bit of room still. EAH also popping. Okay, well this was just luck. I just drew a random box. That wasn't a support. I would not be surprised if EH just does not make a high today, honestly. Like, I don't know. OPGN back up to highs. Yeah. Here you go, Zach. Maybe chase this to 47. Maybe. That's a lot of volume on that candle. That's good. I didn't get a pullback. I didn't get a pullback there. I don't like when they push up first, fell, and then pull down. I would have seen that pullback first. Definitely would have taken that trade. Tesla's still dropping. I could see this thing rejecting that previous yesterday's low again, which is this one. Is it 167? Yeah, 167.52 here. This is yesterday's low. If we end up popping a tiny bit here, I could see another short to take out another low. SPY is still tanking. Here, Tesla up to 167.50 is kind of this area up here. It would be the next add again. This is yesterday's low day. Could reject that level there and keep on moving down. What's up, Stanford? Welcome in, man. mRNA just won't come back. FFIE flushed. Okay. No trades today for you, Self-Left. Nice. Come in here and next time you take a trade, let me know. Let me see what you're trading, how you're trading it. OPGN still going for you, Zach. I, well, I guess you're seeing it up here. Again here, pushing down, volume dying. I don't even know what the actual low of Tesla is. So on the 1 hour time frame, the low of Tesla is 165.38. So it actually didn't make a lower low. It actually did not make a lower low. Fat G, now you're sitting around waiting. I like it. I like it. Kind of quickly looking at Amazon. I got an important level 94.06, so almost $94. SPY is still selling off. Tesla still selling off. Amazon, you get a nice pop here to 94.06. Maybe that's another entry short. mRNA is the only one pumped today. 206, 207 almost. Guys, this is insane. I think Tesla might even try to double bottom now. It's slowing down so much here. It's kind of funny how I switched my basis up a lot. You know, I was looking short on this thing all the way down, but seeing this slowing down, volume decreasing, barely pushing, it's not like this. Boom, 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 boom. You know, it's kind of eh, 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 and it slows down. So I could see now a double bottom there. What's up, Burek? Self love, that's you, man. Welcome, welcome to YouTube, man. Welcome. Yeah, Ramen. I think that's what I was thinking now on Tesla. Oh, frick. A double bottom. But I'm still watching it. Slow day compared to the last days, yeah. Let's see. Let's see how Tesla acts after breaking the slow. Actually, still wants to sell off. Still wants to sell off. Crazy. That's the highest volume candle today already. As it's breaking down. I'm not counting the first minute. Wow. And to think I was short this 171, I'd be up $7, $8 a share. No trades there. I was looking for the double bottom, but didn't quite get it. OPNG. I don't know. Could this be a short now? Blair's break even on the DJ Hara took the retest of 166.19 short. 166.19 short. 166. Well, that's another nice move there. No, I know. I was just looking at where the retest was. Good trade there, J Hard. Good trade. CJJD came to life. This thing sold off pretty big after yesterday's high. MCPL overview. MCPL is still holding. Man, Tesla, what is happening to Tesla? That's 2 days in a row that it sells off. It even gapped up overnight, and it still sold off more than the gap up. How is that possible? I'm looking to see if I can short this OPNG. Tesla is so being down. Was there bad news on Tesla? Too many people want to dip buy Tesla. That's also true. They buy it and then they start going red and then they sell it. You good, JD? You good? What's up, Benny? How are you, man? I'm good. So far I'm up, I think a little under, like right under 500 bucks, which is not bad. CJJD, not trustworthy. Yeah, I don't really like that one. Sold off too much. Honestly, it looks more like a short, but I'm kind of playing with this other one right now. Which I have an order out, but it's not getting picked up. So if it doesn't get picked up on this one, that's okay. I paid $4 of locates fees, so. Tesla is incredible though. J Hart, did you write? No, who got that? It was you, J Hart. Did you write it down pretty good? You just sold it at 166. It's dropped down to 161. Rome is long CJJD with 505 average. How did you snipe that? Good trade there, Rome. I put out an order on OPGN to short it and I never got filled, so put it right here. Kind of looking for that left side to push back up there and give me that fade there. Didn't get it. Oh, you missed the spike up. Yeah, that happened so fast. You would have been up $1. Dang it, OPGN, man. Didn't fill me in short. I don't know what to look at right now. NCPL, it's every time it pops, this thing flushes. It's holding 276, so if it keeps holding 276 and this consolidates for a longer time, like it just hangs out up here for a while, then that'll be a good potential for a squeeze. MLGO is Kevin's time to shine, so he's over there focused on MLGO. FLNC, man. FLNC. FLNC. FLNC, decent move. KSPN, sold it all up. Rome did too. KSCP, same thing. OPGN is still there. Tesla selling off. Let's see. Amazon, somewhat a sell-off. So I don't get it. I thought today was gonna, if news were good, we're gonna rally into end of year. News were bad, we're gonna drop into end of year. So why did we rally and then give it all back? What's the deal? What's happening? 72 cents down from 53. Oh, you're up 53 bucks. I thought you were down $53 and now you're down 72 cents. I was like, that's good. Blair, you gotta get some birthday money. By the way, everybody, if you guys came in late today, it's Lane's birthday. So if you haven't told him happy birthday, tell him happy birthday. I think so too, Rome. I think this could just be like selling off and then everything is about to explode. I'm kind of upset I missed Tesla. I'm kind of upset I only made $125 on Tesla. mRNA, you know, yeah, I expected to move to 200, but kept going, going, going. Just didn't think about it. But Tesla, you know, this is one I am a little salty that I'm only up 100 bucks. Oh, Kevin, you're out. It didn't work out. MLGO. I wonder if everybody that starts trading these here with these halts is all the people that play statistic wise, like Kevin. Maybe, maybe. EH kind of selling off a little bit. QA Trader, what's up, man? Just got halt down with MLG, only 50 shares and 490 profit. Good job. It does not make any sense. The whole move is like casino. James on TikTok telling you happy birthday, Blair. Tesla again, selling off again. This is crazy. I should have left some runners on Tesla. Anyways, what do you guys got an eye on, sir? What is my strategy? My strategy is to try to make money in the market. And let me tell you something. It's working today. Today's profits up 480 bucks. It's an okay day. I'll take it. I feel like even now 500 bucks is hard to reach for me in this market. Well, I guess today penny stocks didn't do much. Lucky mRNA popped up and somebody mentioned it. Dude, I would kill to make that. You'll get there, Blair. You'll get there. You've come a long way, bro. TikTok chat is dead today. You want to answer Thinkorswim and TD Ameritrade more often, or what, James? You want to keep answering the same question, bro? Tesla big overreach. What do I think of options trading? I think, honestly, if you're not profitable Trading shares, I don't think you should touch options yet, because options is going to be a lot harder than shares. I mean, your P&L is going to move a lot more different, faster, you know. You got to understand Greeks, you got to understand options, which ones to pick, all that stuff. If you're not profitable trading shares and can make money just by looking at the stock without the other factors, there's just no way you can make uh, money with options. You just copy and paste. Nice. Nice, James. James is I guess I don't know if I can add moderators or not on TikTok, but he's always here and answering the question for me. As soon as they say, "Hey, what platform?" he always types Thinkorswim or TD Ameritrade. He's got it copied and pasted on his phone, so he just pastes it and sends it. That's funny. Anyways, people on TradeCaster, I'm gonna activate a poll right now. Argent Trader, you better be watching. All right, there is a poll open on TradeCaster. My TradeCaster people, you guys go vote on the poll. You got to go up to the top, click the little thing with the little question text box. The question of the day is, who wins today, Argentina or Croatia? I am so upset I didn't get filled on that OPG in short. Argentina or Croatia? Okay, okay, got 75-25. How do I do polls on YouTube though? You guys, I don't. Oh, oh, hold on. Did I do that right? Alright, so I'm going to go back to TradeCaster and see what the poll did over here. To, sorry, Noinox, you're the only person that went for Croatia. But, hey, if Croatia wins, you're the only person that got it right. So, 83-17, I'm locking in that poll over on TradeCaster. 83% Argentina, 17% Croatia. Let's go back to YouTube. Okay. Oh, this one doesn't tell me who voted for what. Okay, okay. I'm gonna give it another 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. End poll. 67%. It just disappeared. Oh no, there it is. 10 votes only on YouTube. Come on, guys. 60% Argentina, 40% Croatia. So everybody's favoring Argentina today. No, Enoch said I like to go against the trend that like my trading. That's why I lose. Who is score prediction? I think Croatia will be a challenge if they go to shootouts because that goalkeeper has literally not let anything go by him. Hebo on TikTok hopes Argentina wins. Argentina, but you have no idea. I hope Argentina wins. I do want Argentina to win. So a little bit of a slowdown here. You didn't say Mississippi, that countdown. Oh, 1 Mississippi, 10 Mississippi, 2 Mississippi. Gotta be quicker than that. Like trading, gotta react. When you see the green on the tape, that's when you hit the sell button. That's when you hit the buy button. So, what are the plans for the rest of the day as far as trading? Nothing on these. Wimmy, somebody mentioned short Wimmy. Congrats, I should have jumped in on that one. OPGN, kind of still holding that 35 cents earlier. That's the level that I wanted to take an ad, but then I wanted to flip short on this. But so far, still holding up a tiny bit. OPGN, I got a bigger option here. OPGN, the only thing I could see is this thing's got room to 47, and if it breaks 47, then 50 cents, that's 200 moving average, so you might get another trade on this one. mRNA looks like it wants to climb back up to 208, hit a new high. I don't really expect anything off of MLGO, go ask Kevin what he thinks about that one. NCPL, if NCPL keeps holding and reclaiming this 276 level, pretty nice daily level that I drew. If it keeps holding here and goes sideways all day, I'd keep an eye on this one for power hour or something like that. See if it wants to spike back up, squeeze or something like that. Wow, speaking about OPGN, look at this. Speaking about OPGN, look at this. Reclaims 40, I'm in for high day, up to 47. Nice squeeze there, nice pop. Let's see if we get a high close and then can get a retest of this 40 level, kind of that left shoulder that I was looking at earlier. Reclaim that level and see if we can push up to high day 47, maybe 50 cents. Zach, did you fully get out of here, or did you? Don't tell me you actually had to stop way under that. Bro, how do I never get filled? Look where my order was. How, dude? Okay, you've been out for a while now. I was gonna say, bro, there's no way you're still holding this. Although sometimes you still are. I'm looking at OPG and this thing could squeeze back up the highs. I'm looking for it to squeeze to 47. Look how many orders are there. Level 2, there's that level 2. I don't mind this stock gear. I don't mind it. This is the last 1 minute count on this 5 minute time frame, closing very nice. If I get a pullback here, any type of flag here, I'm adding on this one. Whoa. If I get a smaller pullback, I'll add more. We see the obvious wall here. 42 something. Looking at OPGN. We're holding this low there. Candle's about to close. That looks good so far. Here's a breakout. Do we break that wall now? This is it. It's got to be right here. gotta be right here. This is a breakout. Breakout. Go all the way to 44. I can't see the wall though. There's a breakout. Okay. I'm looking for a new high day. Haven't sold anything. Looking for this to squeeze to high day. And honestly, I want 47 out of this. My dreams. Looking for this big squeeze to high day. It's got 5 seconds left here. Last 5 seconds. Do we close high? Next candle pops it right away. Right here. Pressure's still on. Pressure's still on. Pressure's still on. Pressure's still on. Time to go for it, but time to go. Breakout. I'm up an extra 60 bucks here, but I'm holding tight. Full share size still. Nope. Didn't break out. What a letdown, man. Why is it that when I start going for breakouts, nothing breaks out? I had to stop out. It should have broken out there. Rome, I'm gonna jump in some spy calls. Let me see. I missed a couple of comments. It's about Morocco. I thought they could win and you laughed at it. Hello, I'm waiting for potential breakout overview up on MGTA. Not sure it'll happen. MGTA, I don't think that one's got enough volume to take a... Yeah, this one, I mean, it looks okay, but the volume is not there, so I'd be careful trading those stocks there. Gonna try... Okay, Kevin, you're gonna have to explain these percentages to me. Also, if you understand percentages, when the best case scenario or the best probability setups would be to short back down to those 50, something like if a stock gaps up like over 100% or like over 50-60%, like odds are it comes and pulls back down to that 50%, right? Or something like that. I even looked at some stocks yesterday and it kind of worked out. It might be APVO actually. So APVO, let me look. This is a huge gap up. So APVO closed that first day at like $3, gapped up 136%. But if you look where it pulled down to and consolidated most of the day, that's this kind of range right here, right? This is really interesting because I never thought about it. You know, that's kind of the consolidation range of the day, right? But if you look at it, that gap went all the way to 137. You guys can see it right here on the little bit of a box right there. So it goes up to 139%. Goes up here 120%. And then instantly sells off in the morning. And look what range it falls into. Between 45 and 60. That's a 50% right there. That's a 50% gap up right there. What was the other one? Harp. Harp gapped up from 117, hit a high of 186, and then, well, actually, this one closed way lower. Well, this one closed at 30% though, but 50% range would be 50% range on this one would have been this area here. So, an outlier. What's up, Just Me? How's the trades going today? Pretty good, man. Pretty good. Tesla made a bottom. Oh, as it's going down for another low. I've not played the new Fortnite yet. No, I haven't played in a while. I think the last time I played must have been like almost soon after I did those 1v1s. I really haven't played. Am I done with OPGN? Yeah, OPGN came back up. I took another trade on that. I guess I did make money, like maybe 10, 15 bucks. I was up like 80, I think, at the max. But if it would have broken now and gotten me up pretty nice, could have gone another 100, 150 bucks there. Nice breakout, maybe 200 bucks, but so I am sitting at 400. Oh, 6 bucks of profit on that trade. Wow. I'm sitting at $486 of profit, so I need $14 more to make 500 bucks today. Easily doable. Maybe. Especially on Tesla here. Tesla, big old rejection off that low there this time, so this time maybe it really did bottom. Isaac, you're on a 9-day green streak. Good job. Good job, man. OTM, you're up 259. Still green, man. I'm also thinking with that wick reclaim there on Tesla that it bottomed out as well. So I was trying to see if I can get a nice little pop here out of this range. This is tiny size. I'm looking to see if I can make 14 bucks. Or lose 14 bucks, one of the two. Surprisingly, Tesla still feels pretty heavy. I like this bottom reclaim, and I'm kind of looking at this level here. So kind of holds that level, does a flush, pops a new low of day, but instantly retraces back up. So I kind of added here, seeing if we get a nice pop out and see if I can get a little bit of profit there. Just a quick trade. Tesla's pretty being down, so I want to see if that is the bottom of it today and wants to pop on out of here. There it is. What? It showed me up. I was up 20 bucks. There it is. There's a pop. Just gonna take. I took some profit there, but I decided to put a stop at break even, see if this thing really wants to push on out, and then maybe gives me back, pushes back up somewhat good. Technically, I made my 14 bucks to close $500 today, but everybody's calling out GRTS. GRTS heading into daily levels. 343, 36. Easy to borrow, so maybe keep squeezing people out. Everybody that thinks this is a short now. Tesla, I'm still holding a little bit there after that bottom reject. Now up an extra 45 bucks here, but I think I'm just gonna let these things run. Hopefully I get a nice little bottom out here and this thing perks itself back up to 165. That would be nice. GRTS, nothing specific on GRTS. Going to take some short here. OTM, you're shorting GRTS? Okay. Even if it's easy to borrow? The market is gonna crash. OPGN for long? No, I don't really like OPGN for long anymore. Oh, patent approval for GRTS is what Kevin said. Hanish, on the bus turning in before I start work. How's it looking? Who's making money? I'm up, man. I'm making some today. Up a little bit, so I'm glad with today. Left a lot on the table though. I definitely left a lot on the table today. Is gold good for day trading? I mean, it's kind of like any other stocks. It depends on what gold you're talking about, like ETFs golds or like pair gold or GRTS. Apparently a patent. I think OTM is shorting it. Have 2K short 335. Okay. The only reason I would go long on this is a pullback down to that 318 pivot with low volume. Daily level as well. There, but 343 is another daily level. That's where it looks like it topped out at. So if this was to pull down here slightly still with this low volume, I might still be looking long. Fat G just got lunch. Anything worth watching? GRTS kind of popped up a little bit, but it's iffy-ish right now. OTM starting a short on it. I wouldn't long it until 318. OPGN doesn't want to quit. This is one that, you know, I'm still following this trend line. Not unless we're above this trend line, I'm still bullish. But if it doesn't want to break out to that 47, then gets on the back end of this trend line, I might look for shorts on this one. Hello, SMMT. SMMT is still a short. This is backside for sure. Just look at the daily on SMMT. This is backside for sure. This is retesting yesterday's, or no, 2 days ago low right here, 324. Nice level there. This would be a nice short, I think. I'm still holding 50 shares of Tesla. Let me see what that is. Still up 30 bucks. I am looking for this to kind of push on out of here. I hope Tesla gets a nice pop. Patent news, great short opportunity. Uh, let's see. Oh, GRTS is. Oh yeah, it's easy to borrow. Duh. You clicked that short right away. Did you look at any daily levels to short that OTM, or you just saw it up and decided to short it? Like if I was to look here, I don't know that I would have clicked it there right away. I mean, maybe 350, looking at defending 350, but there. But my next daily level on this would be 3.6, then this 340, 350 level, and then back on down. And CPO might flush. Oh, my Tesla got stopped out. Tesla is still not ready to bounce. But that puts me up over 500 bucks on the day. Exactly $500. $500.79. What is making it pop? Patterns. What is making it patterns automatically short if it gets any movement? Patterns automatically short if it get any movement. Let me look at it. Stanford Sania comes in here, posts the levels and leaves. CPI looking for the drop. Weak catalyst patterns. Got it. Noted. Tesla came down, stopped me out, and ripped. Oh no, it didn't rip. The only one that I have shares located for right now is OPGN. Located shares and haven't used them, so paid a locate fee for nothing. But it was really cheap. They're like 0.00 something, and then I get 50% off, so barely paid anything there. Actually, I kind of want to see if they actually take out 50% because I haven't really kept track of it. So I know exactly how much I paid. So if tomorrow I come back and it's the full amount, then we got a problem. But then if I take it short, it's going to mess it up. Oh, I was yawning when I talked. Sorry. When is the last day you stream until this week? Yeah, this Friday will be the last day I stream. Which today, the game. Tomorrow, I have another doctor's appointment tomorrow, so I might be ending stream a little early tomorrow. And then Thursday, I'm taking my dogs to the grooming place, and I have to pick them up noonish maybe, so I might have to end, not stream early, but you know, I just gotta do stuff. And then Friday, gonna be driving home, so also gonna be leaving somewhat noonish around there. But yeah, this week will be my last week streaming, probably towards the until the end, until next year. So thanks, thank you, Amy. I'll be back. I'll be back, and I'll be ready to kick it next year. I'm happy with this year's results. I just want to finish this year, but I know I could have done better. I know I could have done better, and not necessarily like what doesn't bother me is not I could have done better, as in, oh, I could have had a better probability, or I could have taken better trades, or I could have. No, my thing was I could have done better if I'd have just upped my share size. You know, if I'd have just pushed my share size at all, I could have done better. You know, I didn't take any big losses. That was good. I also didn't have any big winners this year. You know, I didn't. I just didn't push it enough. Anyways, though, I had a rough month in November. I'm finally back up above all of that, so hitting new highs again on TraderView. Let me see. The last 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 11. The last 11 trading days I only had, well, actually 11, 12, 13, 14. The last 14 days I only had 3 red days. Biggest one only being 300, so that's not bad. The other one was $100, so small loss. 500 today, a couple days ago 500. Within those days 600, 500, so. Chris, what's up, man? I'm doing good today. Yeah, I understand, Chicago. Yeah, I don't know. I just got, never mind. Catch that MIG booth today? Oh, Elvinar. So I'm streaming this week, and then next week I'll be completely gone, not even trading at all. So I'm actually taking vacation next week. Um, and then the week after that I will be trading, but I'm not gonna be trading in this house. I'm gonna be trading somewhere else, and so I'm not gonna feel comfortable to set up everything and stream. And it'll be the last week, so I just kind of want to trade by myself and be in the zone and trade that. So I'll be back probably next year. Do you use trade ideas? Yes, you can see it on my screen. Catch that big move today. You know, Chris, I went short on Tesla and had a great entry. I mean, I shorted here and I covered here. So big old missed opportunity there. And then mRNA, somebody called it out this morning. Kind of looked at it real quick. I longed it here and I covered there. And I'm still up $500. You know, I missed out on a ton today. Even with the small size that I took some of these trades, it should have been a decent day. But that's okay. GRTS. Maybe this pop back up is now when you start clicking that short button. I do see that volume died right away. Well, actually, not quite. It just doesn't have as much volume. Does anybody here use trade ideas as well? Because I have a question for trade ideas. My momentum scanner, I've only, Avanar, do you know how to put the momentum scanner to pick up stuff pre-market? How many hours do you trade? Usually 2 hours, you know, 2 hours. So 8:30, it's almost about that time to get off. Honestly, most of my money is probably in the first hour, maybe hour and a half. But anyways, I might be heading off for the rest of the day. Penny stocks look pretty slow. The only one that would be really, oh, never mind. NCPL that's not holding at all. OPGN is one that I'm looking maybe to short it, but I know most of you guys can't short, so I don't even know that it's gonna actually be a nice one. Has free trade ideas scanners. Yeah, I need to update mine. I tried messing with it yesterday for an hour or so. I didn't really look up online. I was just modifying some things, and I couldn't figure out where to turn it on to start picking up stuff pre-market. But alright guys, I'm probably going to head out for the rest of the day. If you guys have any questions, you guys know where to find me. If you guys are new to trading, want to learn how to trade, I do offer my course. I stream completely free, so you guys know that I do make money doing this, that I am consistent. You guys can come in here every single day. Today I'm currently sitting up $500.79 on the day, so that's a decent day. Looks like it's picking up there that I was up 750. That's not true. It's a decent day. I'll take that. Aside from that, if you guys do want my course, it's in the link in bio, link in TikTok. 150 off till the end of the year, and that's the code 150 off, no spaces, and you get that discount. Pre-market, just make sure not to use relative volume as it needs for market to be open. Oh, that may be it. That may be it, Elvinar. I'll have to try it. I'll have to try it. If you guys have any questions, hang out on the Discord. If you guys are still trading or have any trading plans, ideas, swings, anything like that, post them on the Discord, guys, so we can all learn. Even if it's a winning trade or a losing trade, you know, we all learn off of each other. Other than that, guys, you guys take care. You guys have a good rest of your day. Protect your profits. If you don't see a good trade, wait until tomorrow. That might be your best trade, your best setup, your quality trade. You guys take care. Watch the game and go Messi. See you guys tomorrow.